This corner.
Just stay here for the visuals.
Thank you. Thank you. पहले इधर पड़ा मिस यूनिवर्स यहाँ से पहले इकडे उभी करा पहले इकडे उभी कर साइड के बस तिकडे तिकडे
पहला सोलो करो
Kenny this side. Kenny here. Kenny man here. Kenny here. हाथ काट
voices
Camera right side. Left
hello
Kenny. Cam right side.
हेलो हेलो हाँ आने दो अरे रुक
Here.
अरे सामने मना किया है प्रशांत अभी अशांत बोलूँगा सामने इसलिए नहीं खड़ा कर रहा है Jenny, said once again, they need the picture. Video हो गया? A little that side. That's it? Okay. वो प्रणीत आया, पीछे से झुक कर वेट कर प्रणीत आया
यहाँ पे
Dari, no security, if you can wait, please. Dari. Photo start. Visual के लिए होगा Dari. Visuals. Perfect. This side. Because the cameras are, you'll get covered. Okay. किसी को कुछ पूछना है? ये वीडियो कर रही है क्या? ये
मैं मिस डीवा को लेके बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि मैंने ऑलरेडी इन लड़कियों के साथ कुछ किया है होस्टिंग। 2 साल पहले कुछ जजिंग की और आज मैं और मलाइका को होस्टिंग कर रहे हैं, विच इज़ अमेजिंग। आई थिंक ये एक बहुत ही सेक्सी, बहुत ही कूल कॉम्बिनेशन है। वेरी ऑफन इट्स अ गर्ल एंड अ गाय और यूजली 2 guys, बट टू हैव मलाइका एंड मी इज़ वंडरफुल। थोड़ा इंटरनेशनल स्टाइल से होस्टिंग कर रहे हैं तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट्स लाइव। तो वो एडिड प्रेशर है क्योंकि ये शो आज ही टेलीवाइज होगा, सो दैट इज़ एडिड प्रेशर, बट रियली एक्साइटेड। द गर्ल्स हैव वर्क वेरी हार्ड एंड जो आज जीतेगी वो इंटरनेशनल मिस यूनिवर्स के प्लेटफॉर्म पे हिंदुस्तान को रिप्रेजेंट करेगी। तो उम्मीद ये है कि सबसे बेहतर लड़की जीतेगी और फिंगर्स क्रॉस आगे जाके जीतेगी। I'm not performing tonight. Tonight I'm showing my other avatar, which is my hosting. But you'll get to hear me singing again very soon.
It has been quite some time since we have got the crown.
Yeah.
Do you think this time probably we will be fortunate enough?
I think we're all keeping our fingers crossed. Lara's been a wonderful mentor for the girls, and I'm sure we've definitely got some winners in there. I think globally the competition has become tougher, but I think the girls are very well prepared and they just have to give that 200%.
All of us probably are thinking about your dress tonight.
Thank you.
Just describe.
Well, you have to be glam when it's Miss Diva. I'm wearing Monisha Jaising, one of our best designers, and Farah Khan Jewels, and I have an amazing team who gets me ready. Thank you, thank you.
Sorry, guys. Yeah. Hi, मेरी जान. Yeah, there's a reason why I like him. हाँ बोलिए.
How excited are you to be part of Miss Diva?
Very excited because the one who wins this competition will obviously go on to represent us at the Miss Universe, and I just think it is quite a coveted position to be in. So I wish all the participants the very best. Oh, huh? Confidence, charisma, और ऐसी लड़की होनी चाहिए जो जिसे देख के वर्ल्ड प्लेटफॉर्म पे मुझे गर्व महसूस हो. So she has to have those three qualities as a prerequisite. Yeah.
What is fashion according to you? What is fashion?
इसका मिस दीवा से क्या ताल्लुक?
Fashion according to you?
It's personal. Yeah, it's just personal. I just think that either you have a fashion sense or you don't. You can't really develop it. You know what I'm saying? You can have someone else whose fashion sensibilities can work for you. But for me, fashion is really something that doesn't depend on clothes. It's about your personality. So yeah, it's original.
Seems to be rejuvenated. Seeing you
After a holiday. Yeah.
कहाँ गायब थी? काफी
ओहो, नहीं गायब नहीं थी. We had all gone on our breaks और बारिश के टाइम में कौन निकलता है यार. तो ये हाँ, यहाँ पे अच्छा मौका था कि मैं निकलूँ अच्छे कपड़े पहन के और आप लोगों से वापस फिर से मैं मुलाकात करूँ. But yeah, I'm just here. I'm always around.
Special something coming out in Amazon.
Yes. It's called Hear Me Love Me and it's going to be releasing very soon. But उसके लिए हम अलग press conference करेंगे. क्या?
Please stop.
This is my first time here, so I mean I've been to an event before this, but this is really exciting because I've never come to a finale of a beauty pageant, and I think it's very exciting. The girl needs to be really smart. Today, if you're not that, you can be beautiful, you can be everything else, but you need to be smart. And if you don't speak today's language, then you lose it all. So, yeah.
Yes, tell them how it should be.
Yeah, ask Lara, she knows. What do you think, Lara?
They know soon.
I know. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi, good evening.
The D-Day for the girl.
Yeah, so this is what we've all been working up to, and it's been 4 weeks since our 19 lovely ladies joined us from all across the country. My work as mentor tonight, you'll get to see all the work that I've put in with the girls tonight, and I'm very, very excited. I think for everybody who's here, they will be witness to history being made again, and I really do hope that we find a winner that will also bring a crown back to India this time.
The panel of choosing the judges, are you satisfied
I think our panel of judges are all extremely well accomplished people in their own right. A lot of them who worked their way up right from scratch, so they know what it takes, the hard work, the dedication that goes into making a winner. And I'm pretty excited. I wish that we had more male representation on the judging panel tonight, but Sushant's going to be one lucky guy, and we look forward to having him. Well, we've got, so I was very recently watching my own year at Miss India 2000, and Malaika was the host of that contest as well. So 18 years later, she's still doing what she's best at, and I think she's going to do a great job tonight, and Sophie has an incredible voice. So I think both of them on stage are going to be pretty formidable. हम हर साल चाहते हैं कि इस बार आ जाएगा क्राउन, लेकिन बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स डिटर्मिन करते हैं कि कौन सी कंट्री जीतेगी. सो ऑल दैट वी कैन डू इज़ हम अपने सबसे बेस्ट कैंडिडेट को भेज सकते हैं, एंड देन द रेस्ट ऑफ इट इज़ अप टू फेट. Well, soon enough. Maybe not as an actor, but as a producer for sure. Great, thank you.
Boys, Lalli. Lucky Charm got a lot of Miss India and Miss Universe. Tell us about this. You'll be hosting again this time. So tell us about the Lucky Charm that you did.
I don't know about Lucky Charm, but I've had the pleasure of being part of many Miss India pageants where I've hosted and seen many winners come out of it. So it's just been a wonderful journey, and I look forward to this year as well.
Being a host, what are the things you keep in mind, like apart from being witty and charming?
What do I keep in mind? That I shouldn't forget anything. जब भी मैं मतलब बात कर रही हूँ मुझे बस यही दिमाग में आता है कि मुझे सब याद रहना चाहिए, सबके नाम मुझे बराबर से याद रहना चाहिए. And at all times I should remember to smile and be pleasant.
You will be next in the song Hello Hello in the movie Pataka. Tell us about it. How was the experience?
Well, it was wonderful. I had a great time. After very long I'm shooting for a song. तो बहुत मज़ा आया, definitely.
Okay, thank you so much. Just pictures. I'm taking her. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, we're done.
We have to
Okay,
start our show.
we are getting late. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Keep on walking. Just wait there. Just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes.